Ah, whenever you see this guy, be prepared to laugh. Be prepared to laugh. Ne? Okay. So, Olani said that nearly drowned in a pool and was rushed to the hospital. So, let's react to this TikTok and yeah.
Umjita oyenza i-X-ray Xolani almost drowned at his house and he was luckily saved by his neighbor. Thank goodness nothing happened. He's recovering. Hope he gets well soon. But like, what if you were the guy whose fridge he
But like then you know something is coming up. Then you know something is coming up.
repossessed? Like, how would you feel? Bongamseva. Iphi ifridge yami? Intwana yami ngizoyibuyisa ifridge
Iphi
yakho
ifridge
bheka.
The water in the background.
Bheka. Ngabe bungayithathanga ifridge yami.
No ways. No fucking ways, bro. No ways.
Bengizoyiletha la. Ngiyifake emanzini ubhalansi uphuma. Le fridge bese specially iphume nama life jacket ayi2. Ngiyadrowna ntwana yami. Ngiwathathile.
X could you help your repossessor naye futhi ha
Indaba esenhlakaniphile. Naletha amakhamera wenu lana. Wonke umuntu ubonile ukuthi angina fridge. Inyama yami ibolile. Bheka kwenzakala. Uzoyibuyisa ifridge.
Ngizokufaka ku-X report e-return la sibuyisa khona izinto zabantu.
No ways. No freaking ways. No ways, guys. Nah, this has to be the funniest thing. The fact that the he respected Tolani, to respond in the story show that okay, it's not just making fun. Some people like you did. Oh, please like and follow.